Hello everyone, my name is Amoli Upadhyay and today I am here as a Ganga dolphin. Dolphins are smart and friendly animals who love to swim and play in the ocean. I am going to tell you more about these amazing creatures. Let's dive in and explore the world of dolphins. Welcome to my underwater world. Did you know dolphins are mammals? We breathe air just like you. We swim fast every 25 miles per hour. And I love to play with my dolphin friends. We click and whistle to communicate. We take care of each other always. My home is in the ocean, so vast and blue. Important rivers like Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati join in together and lead to the ocean, where I enjoy the holy water full of minerals from Ganga. I swim in coral reefs with fish too. We need clean oceans. Please help us. I am proud to be a Ganga dolphin. Let's protect our oceans hand in fin. Thank you. Bye-bye.